Welcome to Solve, the virtual lab at NITK. This is the experiment setup for free vibration of a simply supported beam. As you can see in the picture at the center of the screen, the setup is made up of a simply supported beam which is given an initial displacement by an electromagnet. On the right side of the interface, you have the navigation and indication buttons which give you a good control over conducting the experiment. Now, click Next. There are two modes through which you can use the interface. Now, I will go through online mode where you will actually be conducting the experiment. A quick point before you click the start button. You have 120 seconds to acquire the data, so make sure that you go to the next screen right after clicking the start button. So go ahead, click start and go to the next page. To remotely start the experiment, click on switch on electromagnet button. This will activate the electromagnet and gives the initial displacement to the beam. Once the data acquisition is done, amplitude versus time graph is as shown in the display. Save the data. You will have 3 trials if you want to try again. Now click Stop Acquisition and go to next page. Here you will have to find the values of x and y using the cursor shown below. Note them down for your calculation. Also, make sure you use zoom in, zoom out and pan options to pick the data points accurately. Once you have the values, using the formula in your reference, calculate damping frequency, damping ratio, logarithmic decrement and natural frequency of the system. Once you fill all the slots, click Submit and go to next page. Here you will have the values tabulated. Have a look if you'd like to check and proceed ahead. Here, calculate density and Young's modulus with the help of given parameters of the system, material properties and press Submit. Go to next page and here calculate stiffness and damping coefficient of the beam by using the formula given in your reference page. Once you're done with it and you fill the slots, press Submit. Say yes and go to next page. And that will take you to the page where you have all of your results tabulated. Save the results if you want to have it for future reference. Otherwise, press Exit and finish the experiment. Now, to revisit your acquired results and to do the calculations again, if you are looking for a better result, you have to go to offline mode. To do that, rerun the program, press Next, select the offline mode, click Start, and select the previously saved file, and import the saved data to do the same calculations like before. The steps are very similar, but the only difference is you will be using previously acquired data instead of acquiring the data live. Once you are done with it, press Exit and that's it for this experiment. Thank you.